This is a double roller crusher loading site in the workshop. It is suitable for fine crushing. The medium hardness rock with compressive strength is less than or equal to 160 megapascals. It's suitable for crushing brittle bulk materials in cement, chemical, electric power, mining, metallurgy, building materials, refractory materials, coal mines, etc. When encountering hard or unbreakable objects, the rollers of the roller crusher can automatically retreat under the action of hydraulic cylinders or springs, so that the gap between the rollers increases. Hard or unbreakable objects fall, protecting the machine from damage. There is a certain gap between the two rollers rotating in opposite directions. By changing the gap, the maximum discharge size of the product can be controlled. The double roller crusher has the following advantages. 1. The width of the discharge opening can be adjusted to determine the crushed material size. 2. High efficiency, low consumption, less noise and good granule shape, etc. 3. Compact structure, lightweight, small size. For the same output requirements of the crushing system, equipped with roller crusher can significantly save investment. Factory price, fast delivery, 1-year warranty, on-site installation, support roll crusher design.